Hi, this is Scott Naito with Fairway Exteriors. We do a lot of replacement windows around Kansas City and especially in Leawood. And so what we see is there's a lot of homes in either old Leawood, maybe like 83rd to like 103rd Street, where these homes were built in the 40s, 50s, and 60s, single pane windows, a lot of ranches. And on these homes, we're installing a ton of Marvin windows. We do a lot of Marvin Essential and Marvin Elevate. So a lot of homeowners want to see the grids. They want to see grids they can touch and feel. So that's a huge part of what we do in kind of old Leawood. But we do a lot of other windows around town center. We do a lot of other windows kind of in more South Johnson County in Leawood. And a lot of times it's more about how do we help the homeowner fit in that neighborhood. So for the most part, we still install Marvin Essential, Marvin Elevate windows in Leawood because they're very versatile to give the homeowners a lot of warmth and character and different design options. And so, occasionally we'll look at vinyl windows in Leawood, but almost always a homeowner is really choosing to go with a high-end window like Marvin because you don't have to break the bank to get a new window that's highly energy efficient and has tons of character.